Let's take a closer look at CEDRIC, this week's spectacular giveaway competition mini. Right, this is an Austin Mini Cooper S 970 cc, one of just 963 made worldwide and just one of 393 Austin Cooper S variants. This is the rarest Cooper S they ever made. This has just been fully restored by Tony Ennion, a marked specialist, to its original specification from factory. A lot of this car is original. It's got all its original floors, sills. It's had a complete new front end, new doors and a new boot, but everything else on this car is original. Obviously painted in stunning tartan red with the contrasting black roof. I decided to add the 10-inch rose petals because I absolutely love them and I think they look magnificent with the red and black theme. So it's his original 970 Cooper S engine, 65 brake horsepower with twin SUs. Yes, the airbox is missing. That's because we run them in without the airbox, and then when we have them rolling road set up, we add the airbox. So we've got 54 miles on this car since completion, of which I've done every single mile, all fresh or re-chromed stainless steel and chrome. Got all the original clocks. We've got the original seat frames that have been completely stripped, restored and recovered. We've obviously got all brand new everything else from Newton Commercial, including carpets, original steering wheel. This thing is concours condition. Just have a look at these 10-inch rose petals. This car is unbelievable. There's the airbox ready to be fitted. We've got a full-size spare as well. Let's have a look at the condition of this car. It is absolutely spectacular. It's even been painted in the same way that it would have from factory. So for those in the know, you'll see the finish is the same as factory. It came with an upgraded or an extra of a fresh air heater from factory. I've got the original logbook for this car along with the heritage certificate. The restoration on this car cost an absolute fortune. These are the most collectible minis you can get. There's a couple for sale for £75,000 at current. This thing is a masterpiece. One of you is winning this car for 99 pence in our live guaranteed draw on New Year's Day. There's also a £25,000 tax-free cash alternative available. Head over to our website www.ukminis.co.uk to get your tickets. This is a piece of motoring history that one of you is going to win for 99 pence. Absolutely insane.